very thank you to organization YST. He has started this 2-week faculty development program for Industry 4.0. During this 2-week program, we have learned many more new things and new techniques which are using in present scenario and further implemented in the industrial organizations. During these new techniques, manufacturing tools and techniques, here we have learned new 3D printing techniques, new softwares, new revolutions which is using in Industry 4.0. I hope this type of program will continue in different topics, so we can learn many more things which is very useful for faculties, students and organizations also. Thank you very much.